kuyobe kuqala iphepha lokuqala abazobe belibhala. And mangabe si-eda nalaba abachibiyelayo ke si-estimate ukuthi approximately 200,000 wabafundi abazobe behlala bebhala i-examination ngalolu suku i-English. Well, let me hasten to say, MEC, the national exam is already. Some of the learners were writing a practical assessment task, which is a national paper for a choice. Go 1 September, which is far less than 100 days, all these 182,000 learners will be sitting for a common assessment task for a life orientation. Uyabona ke kwathiwa othisha be-maths bayabheda uthi uqala unyaka bathi isikhathi sesiphelile. Mhlawumbe uzama ukuveza lokho ukuthi isikhathi asisenazo. So ke kimi nabantu abami, I think okumqoka kunazo zokuna bonke ukuthi masithathe emazwini abesho district director ukuthi lezi insuku ezisele, if we dedicate them ekuthini sisiprepare for i-examination, sisengakwazi ukuphasa kahle. I-province yaKwaZulu-Natal yaba number 1 last year. Okusho ukuthi maniphasa nonke nandiwanina nabo bonke abakwamanye ama-district. Asifuni ukuthi